Yay!
What an amazing show.
It was good, wasn't it? It was really good.
It was really good. Tell me what happened here today.
Oh, it was so great to share so many things with you. From a cutting aspect, we talked about angles of haircuts, we talked about the texture, we talked about doing some things with longer hair as well. That was really good.
Yeah, really
and
good.
Products as well. Every single one of my clients or models today has One United. Back to this again. He does so many different things. It was really good to use. Each model got that. So. But the main thing I think for your viewers and everybody else out there is just remember to practice some of the things that myself and Marty and the Greek team have shown you, because that's where it starts to grow and you start to get better at things, is when you start to practice. So that's my tip. Go back home and practice, practice, practice.
Practice, practice, practice. Is that your tip for our hairdressers friends?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, well, for me, if I'm not working behind the chair, I'm practicing what it is I'm doing so that I can get better. I can't practice on clients because they're paying money. So I need to practice when I've got free time. So that's what I do when I've got free time. So that's my big tip. And feeling about the show, it's just so great to come to a different country and share information with people that are so passionate. So thank you once again for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for the inspiration you gave us. Thank you for all the haircutting techniques. Thank you very much.
Hey,
you were wonderful.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
So kind.
Thank you very much.